Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to make a project with potentiometer and we will able to increase or decrease the brightness of the LED. So first of all we get the Arduino breadboard and we get the potentiometer. And of course we have to get one LED and we have to connect the anode with directly to any digital number. Let's say I will do this with 12, alright? And the cathode side will be connected directly with minus, and make sure you make this 220 ohm. All right, and the minus, actually through the resistor, the minus will go to GND. So let's change the color. And now we can connect our potentiometer as well. We can directly put it here, and we need to make the one side to minus, another side to plus, and the plus will go to 5 volt. Okay. All right. So the middle side will go to any analog pins, so we can do this to A1. Okay, now it seems everything okay in the circuit. Now we can carry on with coding in text mode. So first of all I have to introduce my LED. Okay, my LED is connected to number 12. And potentiometer, I will call this POT. It's connected to A1, right? All right. So make sure you introduce our light as the output. And now we can directly start coding to the things in loop. All right. So what's always being checked inside the loop? I have to read the values from the potentiometers, right? As I scroll this around, turn it around, it will change the value of the voltage, and that voltage affect the brightness of the light. I have to firstly declare another variable which will read the value of our potentiometer, and it will actually get the value from analog read. All right, so it's going to read from our potentiometer, which is declared as a pot. All right, so pot value gonna read the value of the potentiometer, and as I said, potentiometer sees the values between 0 and 1023, and the 0 like 0 volt and 1023 5 volt. But when we write analog write to our LED, LED sees the 0 like 0 volt 255 as a 5 volt. So we need to convert the values of minimum of potentiometers and maximum of potentiometers to minimums and maximums of lights LEDs values. Okay, so we can also introduce another value. I will call this con value, converted value. Okay, and we will do this by using map function. Okay, map function converts the values of potentiometers. Okay, I mean the pot value. We say example, get the pot value and convert this from zero. So actually it has to convert the interval from 0 to 1023 to 0 to 255. So this is the actually interval of potentiometer that it gets as a value, but this map function is going to convert this between these interval into 0 to 255. This is the how LED understands the minimum and maximum brightness value. Okay, and now we're going to write this value into our LED. We will say analog analog write. Where we're gonna write? We're gonna write this into our LED. We declared as LED, right? And we will write con value, okay, converted value. Now let's run it and see the difference. Now it's in the 0, it has no light. Actually, when it's the potential value is 0, it's actually 0 volt. As I increase the value, it has to change the lightness, brightness of the LED. If you want, you can change the light color of the light. I think it can be observed very well when we do in the real hands-on Arduino projects. So you can also see this in the last minutes of the video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this. See you in another one. Bye bye.